In this video, I'm going to show you how to access live Jira data through the SSIS Data Flow Components. To get started, install the SSIS components for Jira through the SSIS installer. Choose the Jira components during the installation and follow the prompts to complete the process. Open Visual Studio and select Create a new project in the pop-up window. Locate the Integration Services project either manually or by using the search feature. Enter SSIS into the search field and select the Integration Services project. Enter the necessary project details including project name, location, and solution name. Decide whether to place the project in the same directory and create it. Navigate to the Data Flow tab within the project. Add a new SSIS task via New Connection. Select the SSIS components for Jira and enter the required details. You might need to sign into your account for this. Confirm the creation of the task. In the Favorite section, you'll find the corresponding elements for Jira: destination, lookup, and source. Drag and drop the source element into the active area of the Data Flow tab, then double-click to activate it. Select the data you wish to retrieve. Select Other Destination where you want to send the details from the Jira source. For this purpose, we opt for the flat file option. Drag and drop it into the active area of the Data Flow tab, connect the arrow from the Jira source to the flat file destination, and double-click to activate it. Configure the desired options and save your settings. Launch the scenario and check out the file in the specified location. Devart SSIS Data Flow Components for Jira allow you to integrate Jira issues, projects, users, and other objects with other cloud applications and databases via SQL Server Integration Services, SSIS. Try it for a 30-day free trial now.